Hello boys and girls, and welcome to day 2 of our Read Write Ink videos for this week. Today we are going to be doing our Fred finger spelling, so you'll need your jotter and a pencil so you can join in. Okay, before we get started, who can remind Miss Brown what sound it is that we have been focusing on this week? That's right, I. Now, this special friend is made up of 3 letters. Can you remember what 3 letters makes this sound up? That's right. E, G, H, I. Now, Miss Brown has got 3 words that have the I sound in them. We're going to use our Fred finger spelling to see if we can write these words down correctly. The first word is might. Might. How many Fred fingers does the word might have? Now remember, with the way that we say it, sometimes we have to tweak it. Okay? Are you ready? How many Fred fingers does might have? 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. 3 Fred fingers. Let's pinch the sounds. I, t, might. It sounds like might, but when we say it like might. So we have to tweak it a little bit. Let's pinch again. I, t, might. Write it down. On you go. Remember, keep saying those 3 sounds in your head. Might, might. Okay, what is the first sound? Second sound. I. Made up of 3 letters, 1 sound. E, G, H. And our last sound is t, t, t. Good job. Let's check. I, t, might. Your turn. Good job. Might. Might. I might go for a walk today. Give it a tick if you've got it right. Good job. Okay, our next word is high. High. High in the sky. How many sounds, does the word high have? Thinking time. 1, 2, 3, show me. 2 Fred fingers. Let's pinch the sounds. H, I, hi. Your turn. Now this one's good because it sounds how we say it. Hi. Can you write that down correctly? H, I, hi. Okay. First sound is H. Second sound is I. Made up of 3 letters, 1 sound. E, G, H, I. Let's check. H, I. Hi. Your turn. Hi. Hi. Tick or fix. Okay, last one. Are we ready? How many Fred fingers does the word night have? At night time, you go to sleep. At night, it is dark. Night. How many Fred fingers does this word have? Now, night is a bit like might. We can't always hear that I sound just the way that we say it and we speak. I've given you a clue there. How many frayed fingers does the word night have? 1, 2, 3. 3 frayed fingers. Night. Night. Your turn. Night. Night. Not night. We don't say it like that. But that is how it sounds if we were to say it how it sounds. Okay, can you write that down? Night. 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 Okay. First sound is down Nobby and over his net. Second sound, I. G, H. And our final sound, t, t, t. Good job. Let's check to see if we've got it right. Night. Night. Your turn. Night. Night. Ticker fix. Well done, boys and girls. You have been able to spell I words correctly. Read and write them. Superb. I'd like you to go on to do your Read Write Ink book as well. Practice those red tricky words and those super speedy sounds along with your story green words to help you read the book. Well done, boys and girls. Give yourself a micro clap. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of Read Write Ink. Bye, boys and girls.